Imagine standing at a crossroads within your own heart. On one side, the path is familiar, shrouded in the fog of old habits and past hurts. It feels safe, but it always leads you back to feeling stuck. On the other side, a new path glows with the promise of growth and healing. It's unknown, uncertain, but you sense its warmth and possibility. You hesitate, caught between the comfort of the past and the hope of the future. The old you whispers, "Stay here, it's safer." Doubt and fear try to hold you back, reminding you of every past failure. But what if you listen to a different voice? The quiet call of your future self. That version of you isn't asking for perfection, just the courage to take one small step forward. The journey of letting go begins with a simple, powerful choice: to no longer be defined by who you were yesterday. It's about turning toward the sunrise, leaving the shadows behind. The new path begins with your decision to walk it. We often treat our past like a prison, replaying mistakes and regrets. But the past is a classroom, not a life sentence. Every experience, especially the painful ones, holds a lesson. Heartbreak teaches compassion. Failure teaches resilience. Regret shows us what matters. The key is to learn, then move forward. Don't keep repeating the same grade. Like touching a hot stove as a child, you learn and move on. You don't keep burning yourself. Extract the wisdom from your past, but don't let pain become your identity. Holding on to old hurts only burns you. Reframe your past with curiosity. What did I learn? How did I grow? When you do, your history becomes a source of strength, not sorrow. The door to your future isn't locked. You have the key. Letting go is hard because pain becomes familiar, part of our story. Imagine climbing a mountain toward your dreams, but carrying a heavy suitcase filled with stones, old grudges, failures, insecurities. Each step is harder because of the weight you choose to carry. We cling to pain, anger, and victimhood because they feel safe, even as they hold us back. Fear locks the suitcase shut. Who am I without my old wounds? But letting go isn't losing yourself. It's losing the weight that keeps you from rising. You packed the suitcase. You can unpack it. Letting go is liberation, not forgetting. You were meant to climb with open hands and heart, not burdened by the past. The climb gets easier the moment you set the suitcase down. Take Maya, who defined herself by a business failure. She let that story shape her choices, avoiding risk and opportunity. One day she watched a child fall off a bike, get up and try again, never calling himself a failure. Maya realized her failure was just one chapter, not her whole story. She wrote down what she'd learned: skills, resilience, and strength. Her experience hadn't just broken her, it built her. Inspired, she started a small consulting business, step by step. She replaced "I am a failure" with "I am a learner, I am resilient." The transformation wasn't instant, but it was real and lasting. Our turning points often come from a quiet shift in perspective. Scars aren't signs of damage, they're symbols of strength. Letting go is a practice, a journey of releasing the old for the new. Here are 5 steps to lighten your climb. First, acknowledge and feel your emotions. Don't judge them, just let them be. Second, forgive yourself and others, not to excuse, but to free yourself. Third, release old stories. Write down limiting beliefs, then let them go, tear them up, burn them, set yourself free. Fourth, create new identity anchors. I am resilient. I am worthy. I am growing. Place these reminders where you'll see them daily. Fifth, act as your future self would. Ask, what would the person I want to become do? Then do it. Each small brave action builds the new you. Letting go isn't a single leap. It's a series of choices. With every step, your burden lightens. The path ahead brightens. Your new beginning starts now.